As the gantry is pulled back.
I am a Negro, and I'm very proud.
But I remember the feeling that it left.
There were an awful lot of children that were orphaned and just wandering around and starving and dying and freezing to death. I remember coming across a couple of little boys in a little shack alongside the river, frozen in each other's arms. And we did what we could in our unit, the K-9 unit, to feed them, give them tasks to do to earn money, not money, but food and building materials. And I developed a relationship with a young boy when I was at that National Police headquarters. He was kind of a gopher boy that was there. And I was there one night on liaison duty, and they brought in an old woman who'd been caught stealing from the base, and this police lieutenant, who I had come to hate, started beating up on her. I stopped that. And the boys saw that, and there was an old man in there, an old papasan with that little gauze hat that they wore. And the boy was also chewing gum very loudly. This is crazy. He was chewing gum and very loudly. So I had first stopped the beating up of that woman, and I caused her release, which really pissed off the lieutenant, and that's just too bad about him. And then I took the boy to task for chewing so loudly. Well, the boy went and talked to the old man, then went out, came back in with an egg. Now, eggs were just extremely valuable then. And he presented this fresh egg to me. And he said in English, because he apparently got the words from the old man, "You are a gentleman." And I thought, oh my God, and what am I going to do with this egg? Well, I accepted the egg, of course, and then I had a thought, and I punched a hole in one end of it, sucked out the contents with great apparent relish, and then drew a face of him on it with a ballpoint pen and handed him the shell back.